guys. So, let's see. Okie dokie. Let's try this again. So, I'm not here today. So here is the handout you should be looking at. The first two are asking you to convert. So this is in polar form. We want it to rectangular. So anytime you have an angle, you're going to go back and use this formula or these formulas because they have an angle provided. Okay, so if you ever have an angle, this is what you're using. Now over here we have some fractions and they're kind of ugly. So yes, you can put them into decimals and then start converting them into polar. And then this is where you would use your r equals and theta equals. Okay. Just don't forget about the quadrant you are in. Now, here, this one's straight up, so I'm not going to look at this one for you. So remember, this tells me I need to go across. Go across from this angle. Okay, and these are counted by 15, so here's 255. I need that ruler because I'm really bad at going to the opposite direction. So here's my angle, opposite, and I need to go 2. So 1, 2. Okay. 195 here. Again, I'll just go ahead and do this one. So because it's all positive. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Remember, negative angle, add 360. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. So we're going to have to add 360 to that. So we're going to get negative 3 and 345. So it's 3 here. I'm sorry, here is 345. So sorry. But you notice this is negative, so we have to go across from. Okay, so here's across from. And so now count 3 in that direction. 1, 2. Okay. So here we go. What we want to do is find 3 pairs describing the same point. So let's go ahead and put 285. So here's 285. That's 3 and 285. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So remember the first one. You're going to do 285 minus 360. Okay. And I get 3 and negative 75. Now, the second one we're going to find. We're going to go ahead and put a negative 3 there. Because that tells us we got to go across. So across is going to put me over here. So add 15, so that should be 105. So 3 and 105. Okay. And then once you get that, you're going to have negative 3, 105 minus 360. So you'll have negative 3 and negative 255. Okay. We'll do one more, and then I wish you luck. Okay, so finding your first one, we're going to do 1 and 45 minus 360. And that'll be 1 and negative 315. Okay, I kind of forgot to graph this. So 1 and here's 45. Okay, 2. So now we're going to do negative 1. I need to know what angle is exactly across. And that's going to put me over here. And that's going to be 225. So 1 and 225. And then you're going to do negative 1 and 225 minus 360. So 225 minus 360 is negative 135. And you're done. I wish you luck. If you do have questions, please make sure you go ask Mr. Ford, and I'll see you when I get back.